How to update your iPhone to iOS 26.6 beta. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, we go down and tap on General. Next, tap on Software Update. And in here, we go down and look for Beta Updates. Make sure it is set to beta update, public beta or developer beta. Now we go back and then tap on the Update Now button when you see it shows iOS 26.6 beta. So tap on the Update Now button. Next we put in the phone passcode. Then we tap on the Agree button and agree. And this will go ahead and download the iOS 26.6 beta. If you are not enrolled in the beta program, you can do so here. It's we can go to beta.apple.com or we can go to developer.apple.com. So if you go to that website, I'll unlock it with a pin. And from here, you can scroll down and tap on the sign in button, and then we go down and enrolled. Okay, so once you have signed in, choose iOS and go down and tap on enroll your iOS device. Here, I will scroll down and say turn on beta updates. So tap on open beta updates. And that's it. So that's how you can update your iPhone to iOS 26.6 beta. Thank you for watching this video.